Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM-8 track out of a 70 Plymouth Barracuda. This comes from Bill in Los Gatos, California. That's an appropriate city name for me to be sending a radio to because I love cats, and I have Los Gatos, tres to be exact. Alright, so Jim or Bill has requested the modern internal FM conversion with the Bluetooth feature, and so we're here to make sure it all works before we send it back. So I've got it set to, and has requested use of the original connectors, which means it's just a 2-speaker radio, so that there's no virtual fader, just the original balance control that we can demonstrate. So let's go ahead and turn it on to AM, to the one strong station I receive in my area.
As the world's policeman. And whether or not that is a role that has placed too much burden on America
balance right,
without sufficient
left,
burden sharing
right,
by the rest of the world.
Left.
It's in all our interest to have a
okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Terrorist groups or
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that.
Around the world,
okay, now we're going to switch over to FM, which if the radio is originally AM only, you switch bands by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. And I have all 5 presets set to FM stations in my area for a quick test.
Half the deal, where there would be either with tools and knowledge you need every develop a personalized program of
from the biblical.
Okay, there's that. Let's try the 8-track. Okay, pull the plunger and tape is ready to be grabbed onto. Let's make sure the dial light works, which you won't be able to see it, but I will. Yep, nice soft green glow there. Okay, so she's ready to go back. I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because all my options and prices, including options for turnaround time, are right there in the work order, and it's going to save us both about 15 minutes on the phone with each new customer, which keeps me on the bench a little bit more where the work actually gets done. I don't get anything done on the phone, so I'm perfectly happy to talk to you after you have a work order printed out, because you will probably have a few questions besides that, but this keeps the phone calls a little bit shorter, gives me a little bit more time on the bench. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Bill, for your business from Los Gatos, California, and we'll see you next time.